Algorand value equivalent to $0.0953 a coin. The present reach. $0.0945, $0.0959. The earlier day close. $0.0950. The change was plus 0.0003, plus 0.32%. Reverse rate. United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at $0.103. Most extreme cost $0.108, least cost $0.079. The normal for the month $0.094. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.085, change for October 17.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. To start with cost at $0.085. Greatest cost $0.101, least cost $0.071. The normal for the month $0.083. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.076, change for November 10.6%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at $0.076. Most extreme cost $0.090, least cost $0.076. The normal for the month $0.082. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.084, change for December 10.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Before all else cost at $0.084. Most extreme cost $0.084, least cost $0.066. The normal for the month $0.076. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.071, change for January 15.5%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at $0.071. Most extreme cost $0.071, least cost $0.060. The normal for the month $0.067. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.064, change for February 9.9%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. Initially cost at $0.064. Most extreme cost $0.064, least cost $0.050. The normal for the month $0.058. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.054, change for spring 15.6%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at $0.054. Most extreme cost $0.054, least cost $0.042. The normal for the month $0.049. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.045, change for April 16.7%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. In the first place cost at $0.045. Greatest cost $0.045, least cost $0.035. The normal for the month $0.041. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.038, change for May 15.6%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $0.038. Most extreme cost $0.038, least cost $0.033. The normal for the month $0.036. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.035, change for June 7.9%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset cost at $0.035. Most extreme cost $0.037, least cost $0.033. The normal for the month $0.035. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.035, change for July 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.035. Greatest cost $0.044, least cost $0.035. The normal for the month $0.039. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.041, change for August 17.1%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. To start with, cost at $0.041. Greatest cost $0.041, least cost $0.032. The normal for the month $0.037. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.034, change for September 17.1%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else, cost at $0.034. Most extreme cost $0.034, least cost $0.027. The normal for the month $0.031. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.029, change for October 14.7%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset, cost at $0.016. Most extreme cost $0.020, least cost $0.016. The normal for the month $0.018. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.019, change for December 18.8%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at $0.019. Greatest cost $0.024, least cost $0.019. The normal for the month $0.021. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.022, change for January 15.8%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place, cost at $0.022. Greatest cost $0.022, least cost $0.020. The normal for the month $0.021. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.021, change for February 4.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $0.021. Most extreme cost $0.021, least cost $0.019. The normal for the month $0.020. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.020, change for spring 4.8%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2026. Before all else, cost at $0.020. Most extreme cost $0.020, least cost $0.016. The normal for the month $0.018. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.017, change for April 15.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. In the first place, cost at $0.0